down and burnt out like a half a cigarette. And I'm passed out on the floor and thinking, am I happy yet? And I'm filmed in black and white, but you'll remember me in colors, singing songs about my heartache and my jealousy of others. And it's hard to explain it and hard to contain it. It's hard to explain how it feels till there's someone to cry about, someone to fight it out, someone to say you're the reason they breathe, till there's someone you're crazy about, the one you can't live without, someone to say you're the reason they breathe. And I'm feeling kinda lonely, 'cause I lost my train of thought. Tried to run away from thinking, but it only got me caught. And I'm as open as a rose when summer's air can spare no rain. In this drought I'm almost getting in the sun, I'm rather plain. Does it help you to cling to the shell you've turned into? I wish you the best and the